Wow.
Well, my kids grew up in a Jewish home, not like the Jewish home I grew up in, but they can understand some Yiddish, um, casual Yiddish. My son was bar mitzvahed, my daughter was confirmed, my children were all b'nai mitzvahed, um, and when we were very focused on being Jewish, they always knew that if I was going to work for an organization, it was not going to be the Red Cross. Not that there's anything wrong with that, as Seinfeld would say, but I was going to spend my time and my money in things that were Jewish. And my granddaughter graduated college. She worked for Hillel for 2 years, which was kind of nice. I mean, I think they got the message. Um, that's plain and simple. I give to a lot of charities, but when I have major money that I'm going to give, it's always going to be to a Jewish organization. That's, Elie Wiesel put it very succinctly. He said, while not all those who were targeted for extermination were Jews, all Jews were targeted for extermination. And it's something I've never forgotten. It's something So while I'm happy to give to organizations in my community, Gentiles don't give to Jewish organizations, by and large. We have to do it ourselves. And I'm not soliciting you.